What's good, y'all? This your boy William Smith, and today's video is going to be a little different. I am going to be talking about a game that me and K-Blaze are trying to bring to life called War of the Brawlers. And before I even talk about the game, I just want to say thank you to Wolfang Rising, who gave me the idea for the name. He commented saying, you know, this is what the game should be called because of how the characters and the stories, it just fits how it, you know. I just really thank you, man. I can't thank you enough for that. But anyways, War of the Brawlers is a game that's like Street Fighter, King of Fighters, Skullgirls, maybe a little bit of Arcana Heart, this, that, and such. It's the fighting game, you know, a fighting game that we really want to bring to life. The only problem is that we need two things to bring this game to life. Like, you know, number one, we need spriters. You know, someone who can make sprites in the best quality. Excuse me. Someone who can make sprites in the best quality, you know. Like, that'll be pretty awesome. And, you know, K-Blaze said he'll even help out a bit. Hell, I'll even help in any way possible, you know. But that's what we need. We need people or somebody who knows how to make sprites and who are willing and determined to help us. Number two, we need coders or programmers. Someone who can program the game, code the sprites into the game, and this, that, and such. You know, we just need that, you know. That's just what we truly need. I mean, art, I think we're good. You know, people, if you want to send us your art, you know, just if you're not a Facebook guy, you know, you're more of an email or Gmail type of guy, just I'll leave links in the description to my Facebook and to my Gmail so you can send the picture, you know, because we want to see your art. We want to see your design, you know. We just do. We want to see your character, and the character also has to have a good story to him as well, like a story, you know. Musically, me and K-Blaze, we got this. Or if others want to join us musically, I don't know. I mean, who knows? Maybe down the road, somebody might be like, hey, you know, I want to join, you know, that'll be awesome. But regardless, musically, I just really think we're good. Like, we have nothing to worry about. You know, the music is not going to suck. We're Gucci. All I can say is those are the two things we really need. Spriters and coders or programmers, you know, people who can animate it. And like I said, man, me and K-Blaze will try to even help, but we just need you. This is why the video is a little special. We're asking for your help to please help us find or to inform people what we need to bring this game to life. I've already said what they were. Please let people know, or just let us know who we can come in contact with so we can try to bring this game to life. So because to be honest, we're even thinking about kickstarting this, you know. That just goes to show how serious we are. We really want to bring War of the Brawlers to life, because if you stop and think about it, where are fighting games really going? I mean, I love Street Fighter, but you know, there's a lot of rehashes of Street Fighter. I love Tekken, but Tekken takes their good God-given time to make a game, like 2-3 years, just wow. You know, there's other games too. I mean, SNK, while popular, they're not really popular in the US like that. You know, they still got some good ass games, but they're still not popular. So I feel like, you know, we're bringing something new to the table, you know, new characters, a new design, a new concept, kind of, sort of, you know, that'll just be good. You know, it's a good idea, and we really need your support in any way possible. You know, for us to even think about kickstarting this, that just goes to show how serious and determined me and K-Blaze are. And I hope you guys, subscribers or person who is viewing this, is determined as well to see this come out to life. Well, I've already shown you the characters that K-Blaze drew. That just goes to show that K-Blaze ain't playing with you. He ain't playing. Those characters look super official, and there's more on the way. So please help us out. Please just give us information on who can make sprites, who can code games. Share this video to a person who knows how to do this, that, and such. Just please give us a hand, you know. So thank you. Please support this project. that we are working on called War of the Brawlers. You know, just please give us a hand. And pretty much this concludes the video. You know, it's going on 5 minutes, you know, maybe, you know, shorter, but I'll just end the video here. There will be more videos like this on the way. I will show more characters. There will be more themes from me and K-Blaze. Kick-ass themes, I'm just telling you. So thank you, please support this. And we told you, and I told you what me and K-Blaze need to bring this game to life. We need spriters and coders, so please do anything you can to help us. Thank you, and you have a good day.